abilities. She's going to perform the Rubik's Cube in a very few moments. So everyone quiet down, please. We need absolute silence so this gentleman can show us his stuff. Real quiet, please. He has to concentrate. He's going to show us how to perform the Rubik's Cube in a very short period of time. Is that right? Yeah, go ahead.
Hi everyone, my name is Rubik, and today I will be making patterns on this 7x7 Rubik's Cube, which really is a bigger version of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, my first pattern today will be the checkerboard. The checkerboard pattern is really easy, but the thing is that it can be messed up, which you don't want to make me. Here's the checkerboard pattern. So now we will solve this checkerboard. And also you notice I'm going to do this slowly because I don't want this cube to pop. Because if it pops, then the whole show is gone. So now I will be making a donut. And I really won't be saying much about the donut because it's already done. Here's the donut. Now this is one of the favorite patterns, and it's also very likable because it's a smiley face. Who doesn't like being happy? So first, we have to make the eyes and the mouth. And then finally, the part that smiles, the smiley face. The next pattern is going to be the A. This A pattern is pretty cool because it starts off with my first name, Anshul, and also my sister's name, who performed earlier. Her name is Amina. Okay, so anyway. So first you have to make 2 rods, which I'm making. And also the A pattern is also pretty good because you can make different other different patterns with it. Like you can make the pi symbol, or 3.1 and then finally the A. So now we're going to be solving the A. And my last pattern, you all have to guess. I'll give you one hint right now. This holiday is coming very soon, but it's the next year, not this year, next year. It's in the January, February area, to be more exact. Okay, so can you guess it right now? Okay. What exactly? Not a B. Possibly. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm making. Rahul was Same thing for this little Rubik's Cube. It doesn't have a pattern on it, but it's still solved. This pattern is one of my favorites. I didn't get to do this because it was very time consuming. This is called the super flip. It's sort of like every piece is flipped in the cube. This cube is called the Mega Maze, and it has a star pattern, one of my own original patterns. This one is a 3x3x2 Rubik's Cube, and it has a Y on it for the letters I made. This one is called the Master Morphics. I really don't know what to call this pattern. Maybe you could give suggestions after this, but for now, I'll call it the flower. And finally, the big boy. It's the 11x11 Rubik's Cube, which also is one of my favorite patterns to cube and cube, but I do not have enough time to do it. It's also very time consuming. And yeah, thank you for watching my show.
All right, come on.